The Tree and the Travelers. Once there was a huge tree with a broad trunk and innumerable branches right in the middle of a dry land. The tree gave rest and shelter to hundreds and thousands of travelers. Being located near 4 towns and many villages, the tree was an ideal meeting point for travelers. One day, 2 travelers reached the tree after a long time of walking. Their destination was one of the towns nearby. It was a hot and sunny day, and the travelers were very happy to take a rest under the tree. Exhausted, they slumped under the tree. They slept for a while, enjoying the cool shade and the soft breeze. After a while, one of the travelers got hungry. They had no food with them. The hungry traveler looked up at the tree to see if there was any fruit. Finding none, he began to curse the tree. "Oh, this is just a useless tree and it has nothing to feed us. Not even a fruit or even nuts. It is of no use." The other traveler comforted him and asked him to stay cool. However, the hungry man continued cursing the tree. The tree, which could not tolerate the cursing words of the traveler, said in a sad yet strong voice, "You can't be so ungrateful to me. Just think of your condition when you reached here in the hot and dry sun. I offered you a cool and comfortable place to rest and sleep with a soothing breeze. If I was not here, you would have died now. I saved your life from the hot sun, but you humiliate me." The traveler realized his mistake and apologized to the tree. "Be grateful for your blessings.